7:45 is the time right now. An alleged pastor is accused of falsifying tax documents to get a PPP loan that he reportedly used to buy a Tesla and property in Baltimore.
That's according to the Department of Justice. Marissa joins us now with more on this. And Marissa, the more we learn about this, the more stunning this is.
Yeah, stunning, bizarre, everything. 45-year-old Rudolph Brooks Jr. was recently charged with federal wire fraud. Now, investigators claim he filed false tax documents to get a $1.5 million Paycheck Protection Program loan. Of course, these were the loans created for those business owners struggling in the pandemic last year. The federal complaint identifies Brooks as the owner of Cars Direct, a company that buys and sells cars. But investigators say that business was forfeited in October of 2012, and they claim that Brooks revived the business in late May of 2020, several days after federal authorities say that he was approved for that $1.5 million loan. Meanwhile, investigators say Brooks deposited the PPP loan money into his own personal account and used it to purchase 39 used luxury model cars, including a 2018 Tesla Model 3 that was reportedly in his name. Federal authorities also say Brooks was trying to apply for 2 other COVID-19 relief loans. And of course, if he's convicted on these charges, he could face decades in prison.
You know, we've heard about these stories, right? People committing fraud with these PPP loans around the country, but it's already disappointing and shocking enough when an average person does it. But when a pastor, right, does it, it's just incredible.
And at a time when so many people struggled to get those loans.
Absolutely.
I mean, this happened in reportedly May of 2020. That was in the thick of the pandemic when people needed the help. So it is unfortunate if it happened.
And then you immediately think about, well, if he got, you know, however many, $1-something million, think about the other people who were trying to get money. So that means somebody didn't get something because of him.
Right.
And he's out here buying Teslas or allegedly buying Teslas and property. So it's bizarre.
All right, Marissa, thank you.